Well, good afternoon, Heavy Duty Motorcycles, Mansfield. Obviously this isn't our usual fare, but I thought you'd be interested to see this. This is a 1981 Kawasaki Z1000 that we actually sold last year as a project to good customer Ron, who's brought it back today to show us the restoration job that he's done on it. Absolutely immaculate. And so when it was when we sold it to Ron last year, it was sold as a project. It hadn't been running since 2015. Ron took it home on a trailer, changed the plugs, put a new battery on it, and it started up first time. But since then he's had it completely stripped down, and I'll just give you a walk around so you can get the idea, and then Ron can tell us some of the stuff that he's done. I'll avoid the number plate. As you can see, it's absolutely immaculate. It's had a completely new paint job, but more than that, the whole engine's been stripped down. Everything has been gone over, and it is absolutely beautiful. So here's Ron. Hi there, Ron. Don't want to force you to be a video star, but can you just tell us some of the things that you've, or talk us through some of the things you've done with this bike?
I've just completely stripped it to bits.
Yeah.
Everything that can come apart has come apart.
Yeah.
Even the gauges I get into clean the glass up on the inside.
Right.
A lot of work on the front mudguard due to corrosion, but that's all been welded pieces in and filled it over and painted it, and it's fine. The crankcases are powder coated, but the barrel and the head are sprayed black because I didn't want to put like heat insulation, you know, in case it made it run hotter.
Yeah.
And then all the things given to somebody else to paint, but then had the seat recovered.
Mm-hmm.
That's done by somebody who does them in the trade. Basically that's it. I just machined up what I could. I did the wheels, got them re-powder coated.
Yeah.
Chromed the exhaust because that was black before, and it came up a lot better than I thought it would. The blue detail on the foot peg stand,
yes,
just to match with the bike. But essentially the only new bits that you can see are two rear indicators, pair of mirrors, and the twist grips.
That's extraordinary, because it looks like a brand new bike. I mean, it's in such mint condition. I think that's one of the amazing things, is that it is really almost totally restored from scratch.
There's just done about 500 miles on it now, and it needs a bit of a clean.
And how does it actually go?
Oh, it goes. It doesn't hang around.
No.
It's a bit of a heavy bike though.
Yeah.
But when you sat on a nice straight road, it just sort of sits there.
Yeah.
You know, nothing seems to shake it.
Yeah, sure.
You just open the throttle and it goes.
Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. Can you start it up for us?
Yeah, sure.
Well, Ron, thank you so much. Ron's come all the way from Coventry just to show us what he's done with this, and I hope that inspires you. Obviously, I know you didn't see the before pictures, so I think there are actually some pictures of it still on our website amongst the projects for sale. It'll obviously be down as sold, but you can see the original bike there, and then you can compare it here. Obviously, we're Harley specialists, but we love all motorcycles, and this is such a classic, and it's beautiful. Piece of kit, just wonderful to see it this afternoon. So I hope you found that interesting. Heavy Duty Motorcycles in Mansfield. See you again soon. Bye now.